New innings. What a takeoff it's been for Indigo. The stock made its debut today on the Lal Street at 13% premium. And of course, there was a lot of trepidation given the price. But guess what? It has put its detractors to rest. Let's take a look at Indigo's flight to the Lal Street.
2, 1, bingo!
It's a firecracker for Diwali for Indigo Airlines, which made a stellar debut on the exchanges today. The stock listed on the National Stock Exchange at 865.95 rupees, a premium of 13% to its issue price of 765 rupees. It then went on to hit an intraday high of 898 rupees, representing a 17.4% gain. This strong opening means at the day's high point, the company's market capitalization stood at a massive 32,000 crore rupees or $5 billion, impressing many. Portfolio manager Ravi Dharamshi tweeted, Indigo shatters some myths and breaks some records to list at close to $5 billion market cap. Phew! Retail and employees missed the flight. Indigo's listing success proved that despite its expensive valuations, investors are betting on its ability to reap profits in the future in the world's fastest growing aviation market. Today, Indigo boasts of being the only Indian carrier to have been profitable for the last 7 fiscal years, with a market share of 33.8%. At the listing ceremony, a visibly overwhelmed Aditya Ghosh, Indigo's president and whole-time director, said the company, in its new innings, would focus on growing the brand and its profitability.
It's been a very personal journey for most of us at Indigo. So it's a very emotional journey for all of us. Many of us still remember the days when we used to sit outside for hours the office of an airport director, and they would say, who? Indigo what? And then we'll tell them about 100 airplanes, and they'll turn around and say, jab wo 100 jahaz aa jayenge na, tab baat karna. Likewise for Indigo as well, we have to make sure that we get up every morning, ferociously attack our cost. Get up every morning and make sure that our sights are set to the larger goal. And don't waver from that. Don't get distracted with all the ego and the glamour that surrounds our industry. But not forget that it's the basic fundamentals of keeping your costs lower than the revenue, making sure that simplicity is the antidote for complexity, and creating an army of leaders which create that nimbleness that Indigo has become famous for.
A pleased broking community is now throwing its weight behind the company's stock. Edelweiss has initiated coverage on the stock with a buy recommendation and a target price of 981 rupees per share. This after Angel Broking had given a subscribe rating to its IPO. The favorable ratings are an indication of the high expectations riding on the company, which it will have to live up to. In Mumbai, Farah Bookwala Vhora.